Hey everyone, this is Caitlin here with BlackBoxStocks. Today we'll be talking with the one and only Melstone, who is our specialist with the dark pool. She'll be sharing how she uses BlackBoxStocks real-time trading alerts and tools to find her winning trades. She's been trading for 2.5 years now and is our newest moderator here at Team BlackBox. Melstone, you ready? We're excited to hear from you.
Thank you, Caitlin. It's such an honor to be with the BlackBox team. I'm so excited to share the data that we have. It has changed the way I trade. I started following the money. And by following the money, I was following options and then also the dark pool. And the dark pool sounds so ominous. It sounds so, what is it? So let's take a few minutes and talk about that. Dark pool transactions are what the institutions are doing. In order to fill large trades, they go to the dark pool. But you know what? You and I can't trade on the dark pool. That is limited and private transactions for the institutional money. They will buy and sell because they can find the larger fills. And they can also get those cheaper. So by following the dark pool, I found that there's such an opportunity to really follow the money. And when you mix that with what the options show you as well, it's by perfect trading strategy. So with BlackBox, we get to see in real time. My screenshot is currently showing you the options flow. Notice it's to the millisecond, and as well as this right side that's showing you dark pool data, also to the millisecond. This is what I like to trade off of. I like to be able to mix and just follow the money using dark pool as well as the options flow. This runs live during the day. I personally filter mine to just show dark pool. You can also filter yours to show 52-week highs and lows, price spikes, halts, low floats, but I keep my eyes on the dark pool. I am looking for unusual volume that may be coming through because as traders, what do we want? We want and need volume to come in to our trades. We need to see that there's some activity that comes through, and I like to know what is happening with the dark pool and where the big money is setting up, either in the options market and the dark pool. Just want to kind of show you a trade that we were looking at today. So I'm going to move a screen share just because I have some notes marked up. Coca-Cola. This is interesting. We noticed yesterday, you'll see that there's some timestamps. This is Eastern time. In Coca-Cola, we started to see some activity coming in during the day. You'll notice that we had 1.25 million shares hit the tape at 53.11. We had some activity that came in after the close and some continued activity. I mean, yesterday we had 3.9 million come through in bigger block activity into Coca-Cola. Today, I'm watching the tape. I'm watching what the options market is doing, and we start to see some aggressive call buying come into December 20th, $55 calls. This is definitely of interest to me. We know that yesterday we had some dark pool activity, and now we're getting some call flow. I kind of want to definitely take a look at this and see where we go. But let's kind of talk about the dark pool. The dark pool, you don't know the intent. You don't know whether it's a buy or if it's a sell. That's the objective of why they trade in the dark pool. They are either trying to get into a position or to get out of a position. So by using the options flow as well as what we're seeing in the dark pool feed, you can start to put pieces to the puzzle together. You're looking at your chart, you're looking at support and resistance. You know that there has been some interest coming through the dark pool. You're now seeing that there's some call options flow coming through the options feed. This is all kind of starting to build a picture together for you as a trader to where you can actually follow the money. This is big traders. These are people that know what they're doing. And I like to follow along. They're leaving footsteps. They're leaving pieces of the puzzle behind. And it's our job to kind of put it together. Also, wanted to kind of talk about some of the unique features of BlackBox, because we actually keep the dark pool data feed running until the official market close. Some people think that it all just stops once the ding dong at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. That's not the case. They can continue to record transactions up until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You're probably not seeing this information. Everybody's left for the day. They're done. High frequency traders are done. Everybody stepped away from their computers, but there is so much activity. And this is what I love. This is the part that I like to watch. What nobody else is seeing. The after hours market, the after hours dark pool feed is just blows my mind. So I love watching this on BlackBox. So let's just take a look at this Teladoc. This one, the earnings has been moving tremendously. And then we have some dark pool prints hit the tape yesterday. Okay, so Teladoc does not get much activity at the dark pool. It just doesn't. It doesn't get a lot of activity in the options market. This is one that I'm really interested in because last night after the market closed, we got 1.54 million in print. Average daily volume in this stock for a whole day is 1.33 million. So in just the aftermarket's activity yesterday, you surpassed what your average daily volume is. There is something to be mindful of there. There is something that is notable. So I am actively watching this stock to see what the next move is. And as of today, we're kind of just moving a little bit sideways. This is one I'm definitely interested. What are they going to do? They came in the dark pool, and let's see where they take it from here. So I'm watching the options market and seeing what they do. I'm going to continue to watch the dark pool feed and see what they do. But this is just kind of a little bit insight of what some other people are not seeing, what you're not seeing elsewhere. We're seeing it real time, or we're seeing it live here at BlackBox. Caitlin?
Melstone, that was some awesome information. I love how you shared how after hours, the way BlackBox tracks the dark pool. It's so cool that BlackBox is the only platform that shows canceled orders. I do have one final question for you, Melstone. How does trading with BlackBox stocks give you an advantage in the marketplace?
Oh, by far, just I get to follow everything that the big money is doing. They have so many resources at their disposal to be able to track stocks. I mean, if they are coming in or out of positions, we're going to see it in the options market, and we're going to see it on BlackBox. We're going to see that in the dark pool. This is so important. I like to follow what the big money is doing. I gave up a long time ago in trying to just guess. I finally have a place where I can actually see it happen in real time, in real stream, in real life with BlackBox.
Melstone, thank you so much for chatting with us today and sharing your dark pool trading strategies with us. From Team BlackBox, this is Caitlin, and that's all we have for today. Remember, you can click subscribe below to receive more exciting trading videos just like this one. You can also become a new member with us by visiting our website, www.blackboxstocks.com. As a new member, you'll receive instant access to the tools, alerts, and the community that Melstone mentioned today. Bye for now.